What's going on?
I don't know. It's broken.
What? It's broken? Oh man. So you can't even mow the lawn?
I guess we gotta fix
You can't even mow it, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna have to get some duct tape and fix it. Let's go do it.
Yeah.
Oh man, we got a broken lawnmower. Gotta fix this. All right, so we decided to use the hot glue.
Yeah.
Well, you don't need to put that stick in yet. This one's still in there. So once that one runs out, we'll put it in the new one.
You can't really.
It's not ready. It's gotta warm up. So what we have to do now is we put this here. I'm gonna put the whole hot glue all around. So let's warm up the hot glue and do that.
Okay.
Let's get some hot glue all around that and fix this lawnmower. Okay, very good. Now some here, right there. Hopefully this works and we can get it back in action.
Hopefully.
We're also gonna put some tape on here.
Yeah.
Just to kind of make it sturdier, and hopefully that does the trick.
Hopefully it works.
Okay, we're adding some underneath here too.
Oh.
Hopefully all that works for this lawnmower to get back on the lawn and in action, yes.
So we take this here, glue, and yeah.
It looks like that did it. We did some hot glue action and then we did some taping here, and it looks like we fixed it. So the true test will come on the lawn. So let's go mow our lawn and see how it's gonna work now.
Yeah.
And if we actually fixed it.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Gotta get this out of the way.
Gotta get those. Ooh, Nerf guns. We're gonna use that in the next video. We'll see that soon. But let's see if we actually fix this. So let's give it a go. Oh yeah.
I guess
Oh
it's
yeah.
working.
Let's see. Keep going. Wow, looks like we did fix it. Keep going. Keep going. How does it feel when you do it?
Light.
Light, eh?
It feels light. A lot lighter.
This one has, look at the wheels on this one. This one has, the front wheels are smaller, back wheels are bigger, just like actual lawnmowers, which is
yeah,
we
cool. Have a big one.
And it's kind of the same with the wheels,
yeah,
right?
The same.
Okay, keep going. How does the handle work now? Like the one that we fixed, how does it feel?
It's kind of like going up and down a little.
But that's actually supposed to do that on the lawnmower, so that's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, keep going.
So you can like adjust it down and up. I'm hired, so I like to adjust it up. You can do it with one hand, bro.
Wow,
so
really?
Easy.
So it just goes pretty smooth.
Yeah. I guess it does.
Great. Well, that's awesome. Looks like we fixed it. We got our lawnmower back in action. And that guy was done. We didn't even really use it much because it was just broken up. And now it's fixed. Good job, guys. Thanks for watching this video.
Left and right.
That's fine. Click like, subscribe to us. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.